Hello everyone, this is Jivita, currently pursuing Masters with HR and Marketing. Today I'm going to speak about Internshala and their trainings. As an ISP from Internshala, it is my responsibility to let you know about the Internshala and their new opportunities. As an ISP, it's also my responsibility to present it inside my campus as well as my friends. Before going to see about Internshala and their trainings, actually I feel privileged to speak about Mr. Sarvesh Agalar, who is a founder and backbone of Internshala. He is graduated from IIT Bombay. And uh, before going to start this, as well as I'm going to share this by starting a fact that is 7 million people are graduated by year, but you know one thing, only 7% of the people are getting job. Do you know why it is happening? Because of lagging of skills, lagging of soft skill, lagging of professionalism, and lagging of technical skills. So the industry wants people to be ready. They don't want to need extra time to train the people. Even they are giving the trainings, they need some kind of people who can catch up the trainings easily and quickly, because this is a competitive world. We need to catch the things very quickly, and they will hire a smart one. So if you would like to start your journey, if you want to be ready with the industry, so you need to upgrade yourself, else you will be thrown out of the industry very soon. So what you want to do, what you need to do during this COVID-19 quarantine, you can utilize your spare time by doing internships and resume mini projects, and actively participating in any other things like quiz programs. And there are many programs or opportunities in online. You can make use of that. Generally we can able to withstand in the market. So and one more thing is getting internship with experience. Along with that, you can also earn some kind of pocket money. So yeah, I'll agree, even I have also get pocket money from my internship. Actually I did two internship on Byte, and because I'm not aware of the internship before that, and also after my third internship only I got paid as a HR human resource internship. And yeah, interesting facts about Internshala. I would like to share the facts about Internshala, which I was surprised to see. The first fact is, according to Economic Times, 49% of the company gives internship for the management students. As you know, all management students in the sense business development executives, marketing executives, sales executive, content writing, and HR intern, and digital marketing, video editor, all these things will comes under management. And media, in the sense, you can also know visual communication like editing, and digital marketing also comes under media. Engineering itself, you will get a development team or any testing team or any core engineering team. So these kind of things, so majority of the department companies comes for management. So for especially for MBA students, you can use this effectively. And yeah, in normal times, virtual internships is occupies the most place when compared to the office internship in the normal time itself. So this is a PPT that I've collected from the net. This is a pie chart of internship seekers fields. And so the second facts I would like to share is like pre-placement offer, as you all know that PPO. So more than 50% of the company visits Internshala will offer PPO. That is, if you can perform well, if you perform well in your internship period, definitely they will give you a chance to take it as a full-time opportunity. For example, if you perform well, if you complete all the tasks given by the company, in the sense they will directly select you and give you a full-time opportunity with a good pay. So most of the companies visits Internshala, they provide a PPO offer. And third fact I would like to share is startup companies. Do you know more than 85% of the companies are startup? So they are providing internship inside the Internshala. And even you can see the most MNCs also providing internship inside Internshala. But what matters? Startup is always a matter, because see, in startup you can learn a lot of things. You have to do multiple works. You need to learn self. so by yourself. For example, if you're enter into the MNC without having the proper knowledge, and you will be thrown off of the company because they are not ready to train you or groom you or guide you, because they don't have enough time for that. But if you are enter into the startup, you need to struggle for a minimum period, then you will learn all the things and will be easy to enter into the MNCs. According to my suggestion, better to start up the career in startup. So within soon you can jump out from the startup to MNC. That will be a good start. So you can able to sustain anywhere. And top 10 IT startups in 2020. These are the companies, startups in India, especially Indian startups who emerging today, especially commerce, transportation, travel and tourism, energy, commerce and shopping. You, as you know, all that online shopping, e-commerce department is gradually emerging today, and education as well as logistics and food and supply. And fourth fact I would like to share is Intern Shala Career Scholarship for Girls. Even I have also speak about this in my previous video. So Intern Shala Career Scholarship for Girls, ICSG, which is initiated in the year 2012, especially for girls who have come across the difficult path in their life, who could not afford for the education, who are handicapped. So they for them Intern Shala is awarding rupees 25,000 per year. So the girls from 70 to 23 age, they can apply for that. They are eligible for that. And you can go to the directly website of Intern Shala, and you can register over there. So this is the good scheme initiated by Intern Shala. It's also considered as a CSR activities for corporate responsibilities towards society. And yeah, the details have been given here. And campus ambassador program, the fifth fact I would like to share is campus ambassador program. As you know all that campus ambassador programs, it is you need to promote the companies inside the campus. For example, if you get shortlisted for your college Intern Shala, in the sense you need to promote about Intern Shala inside your college campus, as well as the, as much as you can promote it to anywhere, like other colleges also. So you need to follow the task given by the Intern Shala. For example, even apart from Intern Shala, there are other colleges you can able to promote Intern Shala. For example, Vista, it is a virtual summit conducted by IIM Bangalore. So it is an annual summit where corporate and students will meet, and they will use the opportunities provided by that, and the competitions, events, all the running over there. You can utilize them, you can gain something out of that. And as you all know, the duties of a campus ambassador is like you need to promote it over social medias, and you need to collaborate with the students for their suggestions, like what are their expectation. Marketing is something you need to convince the people by seeing their perspectives, by using some strategic. And spread awareness in the sense, some people still they don't have knowledge about the internships and online programs which is meant for the students. You need to make them aware, you need to let them know what are the facilities, what are the opportunities outside there, and what are the programs meant for students. You need to create awareness. That is one of the duty. And curating marketing ideas, which is like you need to initiate new marketing ideas, like what kind of strategy will help you to understand the students. You need to generate ideas, you need to find out the ideas, you need to emerge the ideas, like what will work, how we can able to communicate, what channels you are using, where your target audience is there. So that all the things comes under curating marketing ideas. And the last one is organizing events in the sense you can able to conduct webinar through Google Meet or Zoom or any Facebook Live, or any events in the sense of workshops, seminars, whatever the possible programs you can conduct. That will help you to get more ISP points, and you can also get a certificate from the campus ambassador programs, as well as the opportunity for shine in your career that will add value to your resume. And the new thing inside the Intern Shala launched right now is easiest internships ever, which is like this is a new opportunity initiated this month, which is this is a kind of a contest. It will happen between the particular period time, so you can go to the website of Internshala, and they are also giving the free resume guide. You can download over this page, so you can make your resume bright and clear and picture perfect so as to shine in your career. And after that you can participate in this contest too, and you can earn and win as much as possible. This was also launched this month on behalf of Internshala. So I think mostly I have speak about the Internshalas and their opportunities currently in the session. So if you have any queries in this end, you can contact with me through my YouTube channels. And I hope you understand the context today. So thank you. I'll be coming with good clarity and good content in the upcoming videos. And thank you once again. Bye bye.